Oh my gosh, look at that big tornado. Can we go one? Oh yeah, I can see that. What's on the shadow? Oh no! Wait, that looks like an
He was a great friend of ours. This is the worst EF7.
My best friend.
And like the
Why did he have to go?
That happened.
Person sucks.
I can't believe this earlier, but occurred during a hypothetical. Yesterday.
I'll meet you.
This one was the worst tornado. For now, not like the rest. I'll just rest. And worst times ever. We kind of need a moment of silence for him. Pretty much the person, but 9 tornadoes over. Would you please now quiet down and rest as we will.
Oh wait, no, it's not over.
Our final moment.
Oh no, person 8, person 8, where? Oh no, person 8. Oh no, person 8. Okay, we have more bad news. Person 8 just flew away. We will forever remember them both. And the tornado's ending. I'm glad we survived this outbreak.